It's really nice. A lot of people tell me this is the first time that they've opened up in a while. I will show them that it is definitely possible. That beautiful life that you dream about at night, it really exists for everyone.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Infinite Icons. Today's guest is Jessica Hunsuckle, who's a wellness and health coach. So she comes with a very unique background as a yacht chef. So let's find out more from her. She blends her passion for nutrition with real world experience to help people live a balanced and a healthier life. So stay tuned for an episode filled with balance, health, and a better way of living. And if you already have not subscribed to the channel, this is the perfect time to do so. Thanks so much, and let's learn more from Jessica. Hi, Jessica. Welcome to Infinite Icons. So wonderful to have you.
Hello, it's so wonderful to be here. Thank you for having me.
Excellent. So, whereabouts in the country are you joining us from?
Right now, I am in California.
Okay. Are you born and raised in California?
I am born and raised in New York.
New York. Oh, welcome to California.
Yes,
How long
thank
has it
you.
been?
About 2 or 3 months now.
Very new, very new. Excellent.
Yes.
Oh, so nice to have you, Jessica. Please tell us a little more about yourself, your background, and yeah, I'm curious. Let's know more about you.
Okay. So I'm a health and wellness coach as well as a private chef. And for the last few years, I've been traveling the world on yachts, working as a chef while pursuing my coaching career and education. And I work with clients on how to build a more sustainable lifestyle to work on their mindset and their meals.
Cool, so cool, traveling the world on a yacht. So, how was it working on a yacht? What was it like?
It is invigorating, fast paced. If you aren't walking with the pace, you are going to drown. But it's really fun.
Okay, okay. And what inspired you to be a chef and a wellness coach also? We'll come to the wellness part later on. How did
Mhm.
the chef part begin?
I just had a massive passion for cooking and art and all of those things. And one day on Long Island, a captain of a boat asked if I wanted to come down to the Caribbean to work on his boat. And I said yes. And that was just my window of opportunity into the yachting industry.
Oh, so nice. Wow. Totally unexpected, isn't it?
Very unexpected, but it was definitely something I had been manifesting in my mind for a while.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So the traveling must be really hard. How do you, cope up with the travel, the tiredness, your own health and diet, exercise? How can you keep up with all those?
You kind of just have to. You have to keep the bigger picture in mind. You're traveling all the time. You have to pack light. I've had to sleep on a bench in the airport before for like a 12-hour layover.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
you just kind of have to roll with life as it comes.
All right. Yeah, definitely, living on the water is so much different from living on land. And yeah, I'm yet to, interview an air hostess or a pilot. But yeah, the yacht should be, I mean, it's a fun thing as well, but it comes with its own challenges.
Oh, it's so fun. But yeah, definitely getting seasick and throwing up here and there is a challenge.
Right. How long used to be your, I mean, what's the duration of your, on a typical travel?
The length that we would stay out at sea,
Mm-hmm.
around 7 days. I've stayed out at 14 days before, and I know people that have stayed out for a month or two.
Oh my goodness. Right. I kind of frown when I have to travel abroad and it's a long flight, which is a few hours compared to the days you're talking about.
Mhm.
Right. Okay, so how did you pivot from the chef to the health and wellness industry?
Um, so it wasn't really like a big moment where I had a pivot. It was more of a slow transformation into wellness coaching. I found myself falling in love with nutrition in my own personal life, and I slowly had that transform into my clients on the yachts. We just converse about nutrition naturally. Each week, I would have new clients on the boat, and then I found myself really craving deeper conversations with people on the subject.
Oh, nice, nice. And as a chef, do you cook only the very healthy stuff, or do you also splurge a little?
Oh, I do it all. I love a good junk food meal.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And your wellness and health advices, is that online or do you prefer only in person?
I have my clients remotely currently, but if I have, I'm still chefing privately. So if I have my clients want nutrition advice or would like a more health-based food diet, then we will focus on that together.
Okay. So it could be either, right? Online
Yeah.
or excellent, excellent. And so if I sign up for a wellness coaching, I mean, from you, so how
Mhm.
would it be? What can I expect when I sign up?
Well, usually I have my first session to be an hour or longer. I let people take the space to just tell me whatever they need to tell me about their life. And it's really nice. A lot of people tell me this is the first time that they've opened up in a while.
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, I take everything, all of my notes, and I follow up with our second session. And we pretty much just lay out everything that they want to happen in their lives, and we find a way to make it happen.
Beautiful.
Mhm,
All right. So, wellness is a very broad subject, health and wellness. So,
mhm.
what is your niche? What do you focus on?
So for me, I really enjoy working with my clients that want to work on their mindset and their view of life and how they can shift perspectives and start changing lanes into something better.
All right. Mindset in the sense, meditation and
Um,
breathing, all that stuff.
if meditation is something that works for them, then we will focus on meditation, but it's really about whatever the person thinks works best for them. And I will show them that it is definitely possible. That beautiful life that you dream about at night, it really exists for everyone.
Oh, how nice. Oh, that sounds really interesting. And yeah, it sounds very beautiful.
Mhm.
Right. And I understand that you're focusing on uh, women being aware of this facility, the health and wellness, what you're providing. So tell us a little bit more about it since you're focusing on educating or advising women to for take care of themselves.
Well, being a woman myself, it's really nice. And
Mm-hmm.
I find myself really receptive to female focused advice that it just works on me. So it's easy for me to relay that message into other women and empower the women around me.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. So you know how what you feel good about, and then it's easy to share.
Yes, you are, as a coach, I am my first client. So
I
I got to
like
focus on
that.
that. Yes.
Right. Nice, nice. And you said you just moved to California a few months ago. So how
Yes.
are you working on building your clientele, the network, and your database?
So I was a little bit worried before I got here on how I would actually build a network the way that I want to, but I have found a way that it is actually much easier than I thought it would be. Um, I'm using every Facebook group that I could find in my local neighborhood that is like women's groups, and I'm going to all the events and networking with the people. On LinkedIn, it is very important that you advertise that you are a coach and that you have the credentials. And I have found that people are just reaching out to me who are way, way higher in their coaching career, seeking out people who need advice. And I am always open to any type of advice or resource someone wants to hand me. So I have found that there's a large network out there.
Nice. So cool. So, what's your advice to someone who wants to start their career as a wellness coach?
Get your credentials, advertise that you are getting your credentials while you're getting them, build your business while you're getting your education, and don't wait for it to happen after. And be your first client, live your mantra, do what you want your clients to be doing.
Oh, nice. That was wonderful. Right. So, what's the best part of your job? What do you like the most? What's your favorite?
Um, my favorite is receiving like text messages from my clients after sessions telling me how amazing the session was, and that it's really nice to get feedback that I'm making a difference in people's lives.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that feels so good, right? End of it, all your efforts and your whatever you wanted it to has been the way you wanted it to be.
Yes, yes.
So cool. And how does your day actually look? Is it packed with all your preparations for the classes? Is it classes or how do you conduct them?
Well, I'm finished with my classes and my exam has been passed, thank God.
Yay, good, good, good.
Yes. Um, so my day, I wake up and I go to the gym in the morning, and then I get home and I immediately make my protein to eat. And then I go on my laptop and I do a little bit of research each day to keep myself up to date. And then I go through my networking, all of the groups that I'm in that I listed. I go through them every morning to see what's going on. And then I'll take myself for a little walk, and then I'll have some meetings. And my days are very, very casual.
Very nice. I like that. Yeah. It's so good. I mean, you're actually living what you're preaching. So that's wonderful.
Hmm.
Absolutely cool.
Thank you. Thank you. I try.
Yeah, that was fantastic, Jessica. So now that was so cool. Now we hit the fast five questions for you. You could give
Okay.
me a word or a sentence long answer.
Mhm.
Right. So what's your favorite free time activity?
Going into the sauna.
Sauna. Wow. Okay.
Hmm.
A morning routine must have
Morning routine, my vitamins.
vitamins. Cool. And what's your healthy snack for to go?
Mm, this is going to seem a little silly, but I really enjoy tofu with hummus.
Tofu and hummus. Wow. Okay. I must try that sometime.
Yeah.
So nice. All right. So, what are you working on as an entrepreneur?
I am currently trying to develop an app for my clients when they are not in a meeting with me, so I can set up all of their goals and everything that we work on in session on an app, so it's a little more organized for them.
Nice. So, you're building an app for them.
Yes.
Excellent. And one word to describe you, Jessica.
Mm, optimistic.
Oh, fantastic. That was so beautiful. So nice.
Thank you.
So, do you have any message for our audience today?
um, Maybe just give yourself a little more forgiveness and grace throughout your day.
I love that. Yeah, thank you. That was
Mhm.
so cool. And if any one of us want to reach out to you, what's the best way?
What's the best way to reach out to me? My email, Jessica Hunsucker 2 at gmail.com.
Perfect, perfect. We shall reach out to you then. So it doesn't
Thank you.
matter, in person or even virtual, or you could guide us.
I would be happy to guide people.
Oh,
You guys guide
fan-
me as much, though.
fantastic. That was
Hmm.
beautiful, Jessica. Thank you so much for your time today and so much insight into the wellness and health. And it's keep it simple and you're going to enjoy, right?
Yes, yes, that is life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.